Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And today we are discussing a very important topic, that is the future of jobs. How will the job scenario look like in the upcoming 5 years? So, I'm taking a bold prediction on some of the roles that I think would be safe, would be half automated, and would be gone completely. So, if you fall in any of the danger zones, I would suggest you to start looking into your career preferences and take an upskill, because we all know and we can all see that AI is coming at a rapid pace now. So, let's get started. So, my first slide is around high potential roles. These are safe bets. If you are in these fields, you should more or less be safe. So one is security engineer. I think no doubt about it. With LLMs and AI coming at a rapid pace, cyber security is a must, right? Endless demand would be there. It's one of the highest, paid job. What I feel in the upcoming years. Similarly, goes for data engineer and data scientist, AI engineers. I feel that AI eats data but needs clean contextual pipelines. And for research, you would always require the AI engineers. Also, for now, the number of data scientists and AI engineers is not that huge, right? So you also need people who can operate LLMs at programming level. AI ethics, privacy engineers, governments are waking up. For sure, you are now having big compliance, you are having big contracts with AI companies and all. Compliance is critical. Hence, ethics engineering, privacy engineering should be a new role that I feel would be coming quite soon. ML engineer and ML ops, I think it is in the most demand right now. If you go and search on LinkedIn, the job posting is growing every day. The builders of an AI era, right? You won't be training LLMs every day, but deployment would be required. How to use the APIs, how to build a structure around it is always required. And I think that ML engineer is one of the best roles for now if you want to have a career in that. AI product manager, again a great option, because you would require a product manager with an AI mindset who understands the generative AI, how it works, speaks models plus market fluently. This is not your general product manager. Do remember this. SRE DevOps with AI Ops. AI makes infra more complex, not less. It's a new technology. These models are huge, and hence DevOps and SRE would be required. So these are the six potential roles, and roles nearby them that should be a safe bet for the next 5 years. Okish, unstable, but for now should be an okish. Well, you should take it with a pinch of salt. Be alert, I would say. That is a traditional SWE role. That is a software development role. Obviously, you have seen that junior internship and roles are completely gone for software development. What I'm seeing, senior roles are safe because of experience and architectural roles, but still keep an eye. Data analyst and BI roles. I think now we have tools that can generate dashboards completely. Storytelling and all is still required by humans, but not many humans. Project manager. Organizational glue matters. Evolve into AI project translator. Somehow try to add AI in every role that you're working in, because it's now a must. It's like a common language that everyone should know. QA and test engineering. I think regression testing can be AI. I think every company right now, what I know, is building out some project to automate unit testing. That's for sure. Now the human edge comes around exploratory testing. So do take it with a pinch of salt and start slowly moving out of this role as well. UX and visual designers. I think if you have worked with the latest image generation models or some UI UX models, also MCP is coming with Figma and all. I think this role is in quite some danger. Deep UX and deep visualization would still require the senior guys, but I think very similar to SWE roles, this is also gonna go quite soon. Sales engineer and executives can't automate enterprise trust. Big client relationships equal to safety, but still smaller companies might not start laying off the sales guys, because see, you have now audio AI coming into, which is very much natural as human beings. AI is writing emails, AI is doing most of the things, human is now acting as a glue for now. So smaller companies may start looking them as a luggage that they want to lay off. At risk, a sure danger zone that you should 110% come out that is completely automable and collapsing quite soon. The timeline should be around 3 to 5 years. Recruiters and talent sources, that is the HR guys, resume screening, scheduling fully automated now. I think most of the companies are having a single agent that is doing all the tasks. Humans are present at just the executive level. So it's not a career to pursue for more. Financial analyst, I think again the senior guys might be there, but Excel modeling and forecasting is already automated. Legal analyst, AI drafting, reviews, summarizes legal docs. Human edge rare at entry level. This is completely gone. And HR generalist, non-strategic. Admin, payrolls, onboarding would be eaten up quite soon by AI agents. So quickly move out of these roles ASAP. So your career compass, as you see, if you are in a high potential zone, double down, upskill and scale. It is your time to shine high because you can go up in your career exponentially very fast. While if you are in an okayish or unstable role, while maintaining your current role, do try to jump onto the greener zone as well. And if you're in danger zone, leave your job role now and start preparing highly towards the green zone. AI isn't taking your job, but a person using AI probably will, as mentioned by Jensen, NVIDIA CEO. But I still feel that with the AI agents tsunami coming in, that might not be true. AI agents at times in small silos are able to automate tasks for me also. So what I would suggest is that add AI to your roles, whatever work you are doing, so that even the stakeholders have an idea ki, okay, this guy is up to date with the latest AI trends. So in a team of 100, if they want to keep the top 5 guys, having an AI in your resume would be a top edge. I hope this was useful and you take important decisions in your life. Thank you so much.